Seedling number 4, chia seeds. Tiny but mighty, chia seeds are loaded with omega-3s, soluble fiber, and antioxidants. They form a gel in your stomach that slows sugar absorption, helping regulate blood sugar. They expand to promote fullness and aid weight control. Soak them in water or add to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a heart-healthy boost. Blueberries number 3, blueberries. These antioxidant-rich berries are packed with anthocyanins, which support vascular health and fight aging. They improve endothelial function, helping arteries expand and contract properly. Low in sugar and high in fiber, blueberries regulate blood glucose and support brain function. Eat them fresh, frozen, or in your morning oats. Bowl with spoon number 2, lentils. Lentils are loaded with plant protein, iron, B vitamins, and fiber. They digest slowly, keeping blood sugar steady and supporting long-term energy. Lentils lower LDL cholesterol and support a healthy heart. Try them in stews, soups, or veggie burgers. They're affordable and incredibly versatile. Avocado number 1, avocado. Yes, avocado again, and for good reason. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, potassium, and antioxidants. It supports healthy cholesterol levels, reduces inflammation, and improves insulin sensitivity. With its low-carb, high-fiber profile, it helps control blood sugar and supports healthy weight. Avocados can be eaten daily, whether mashed on toast, sliced in salads, or blended into smoothies. Onion. Final chapter. The onion recipe that surprises doctors, and now, the moment you've been waiting for. This simple home remedy has been reported to deliver fast results, some say within 24 hours. Here's what you'll need: 1 red onion, sliced. Juice of 1 fresh lemon, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, optional. Instructions. 1. Combine sliced onion with lemon juice in a glass jar. 2. Add honey if desired. 3. Let it rest for 6 to 8 hours. This activates the healing compounds. 4. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily on an empty stomach. Benefits: checkmark improves insulin sensitivity, checkmark cleans arteries and reduces plaque buildup, checkmark lowers blood sugar and inflammation, checkmark supports energy and digestion. People using this daily report improved blood sugar levels, better digestion, and more energy, sometimes within days. These aren't just foods, they're your body's best defense against chronic disease. By making small changes, like adding these 15 ingredients to your daily meals, you can reverse damage and reclaim your health, naturally. Thumbs up if you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Speech balloon. Let us know in the comments, which of these foods do you already use, and which one will you start today? Stay healthy, and see you in the next video. And make sure you subscribe this channel.